What up, y'all? It's your girl Talisia Nate, and welcome back to my channel. So today, before I go outside and work on the landscaping in that hot heat, I'm gonna make me a tomato sandwich. And my sister put me onto this. She does have a channel. She's a gardener. Her channel is called The Afro Gardener. And first off, I've never been a fan of tomatoes. I always thought they were disgusting my whole life. Until like a couple years ago, I've been able to tolerate tomatoes. And when she started gardening, she was like, girl, you've got to try a tomato sandwich. And I was like, But my neighbor actually gave me some tomatoes from his garden. He gave me 2 of them. So I'm going to make a tomato sandwich. And I'm just going to show y'all how I make it. And y'all, it is fire. So let me get the rest of the stuff out. You following me? Oh, jeez. So, yes, I'm using mayo. I know my my community's like, mayo, what? But some of y'all need to just go ahead and get hip to it. Like, jeez, y'all, Maddie is like really by the tripod, and he is on my nerves super bad. There you go. Okay. So, I grew up eating Miracle Whip. And I didn't start eating mayonnaise until I was an adult. I'm recording. So now that I got Maddie together, I literally grew up eating Miracle Whip, and Jonathan grew up eating mayo. And first off, this is Blue Plate brand. I usually have, I think it's Hellman's. Yeah. But they didn't have none at the freaking store. And I was like, come on. So I had to get Blue Plate. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So as I became an adult and started eating mayo, because Jonathan Slick put me on, because I realized, you know, as you get older, like your taste buds change. And I realized Miracle Whip was just hella sweet. And I was like, why am I eating the sweet stuff? Ugh. And mayo wasn't actually bad. Like, it was like a slick, easy transition. But I never was into tomatoes. I used to eat out, and I mean, I still eat out, but like I would get no tomatoes on my sandwiches. So nowadays, I don't mind the tomatoes. And now that I'm really just like trying to do better. Okay, I say that, y'all, but y'all know it's a struggle. But okay, so I'm gonna add some purple onion, red onion, whichever one you want to call it. They call it red onion, even though it's purple, whatever. But yeah, so I went ahead, I cut up my tomatoes, and then I'm adding a layer of purple onion. And then where is my seasoning? I thought I pulled it out. Fooling with Maddox. Oh, here it is. So I'm using nature seasoning. Obviously, it's not the best as far as like salt and stuff like that. This is not supposed to be like a super healthy meal or anything like that. But I'm just going to sprinkle some of that on there. It's going to be so fire. I can literally taste it. Then I'm just going to use some baby romaine. I'm trying to get my greens in. But no, I'm trying to do a little better with like what we eat, how we prepare our meals and stuff like that. Because I'm really trying to get on this debt-free journey. And obviously you can't be eating out on a debt-free journey. So my goal is to really start making meals that we enjoy. Or like copycat meals, you know. So I'm just going to pop this on here. And I'm just literally using Sara Lee bread. Like, I'm not using any fancy bread or like anything super healthy or anything. I do like sourdough bread though. Don't ask me why I had to get a new knife to cut when I just had a knife. That's my business. But y'all, this is gonna be slapping. Yes. Come on, sandwich. Tomato sandwich. Yes, girl. So my light's a little dull this morning. I'm actually ordering my ring light tonight. Well, today. And it's not, what time is it? Oh, it's 10 o'clock. So like the sun hasn't came all the way up like on the back of the house. So that's why my light's a little dull this morning, but we're just gonna ride with it. So I hope you can see this. Let's just get into this sandwich. Yes. It's so exciting. Y'all, this sandwich really is good. Like, I'm not even just like joking. Bye, child. You want to do a no meat sandwich? Boom. Oh, this is so good. It's so good. Y'all got to try this. I don't see how people do mukbangs or whatever you call it, because I literally have to cover my mouth when I chew and try to talk at the same time. Like, I have to cover my mouth. I can't just let the food be falling out and y'all just be seeing my mouth wide open. So good. Okay, well, I'm gonna finish eating, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you tried tomato sandwich, and hopefully I can have tomatoes from my garden one day, which I'll show y'all my garden in another video. I'm about to shoot that here in a little bit. But anyway, and if you see multiple videos with this outfit on, like this whole get up, it's because like I'm ready to shoot today. Like, I'm ready, even though I'm gonna be working hella hard outside in the heat. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Comment down below if you've ever had, sorry, I just feel like I have food all in my teeth. Comment down below if you ever had a tomato sandwich and what do you put on your tomato sandwich. And once again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that bell, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.